Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel, where we uncover the secrets to a healthier you. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of gut health and the truth about healthy gut foods. Your gut is crucial to your overall well-being, affecting everything from your immune system to your mood. So let's unravel the mysteries of digestive wellness, probiotics, and gut health together. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for a thriving body and mind. Your gut is home to trillions of good and bad bacteria that play a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. When your gut is in balance, you feel more energized, your skin glows, and your mood improves. However, an imbalance in gut bacteria can lead to various health issues, from digestive problems to weakened immunity. Probiotics are friendly bacteria that support a healthy gut environment. These beneficial microbes help maintain the delicate balance of your gut flora, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. By incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, you can boost your gut health and overall well-being. But it's not just about probiotics. Incorporating a variety of healthy gut foods into your diet is critical to supporting digestive wellness. Foods like fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods nourish your gut bacteria and promote a diverse microbiome. A diverse microbiome is associated with better overall health, including a more robust immune system and reduced inflammation. You can reap the benefits of a healthier gut by making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle. Improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and a more robust immune system are just some rewards waiting for you. So join us on this journey to uncover the truth about healthy gut foods and take the first step towards a happier, healthier you. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of gut health and its profound impact on our overall well-being. Gut health refers to the balance of microorganisms in our digestive tract, influencing everything from our immune system to mental health. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for a vibrant, thriving lifestyle. Probiotics, often called good bacteria, are essential to gut health. These beneficial microbes help maintain the delicate balance of our gut flora, supporting digestion and nutrient absorption. Probiotics can be found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kombucha, as well as in supplement form. Incorporating probiotics into our diet can nurture a diverse and robust gut microbiome, improving digestive health and overall wellness. Several factors can disrupt the delicate balance of our gut microbiome, negatively impacting our gut health. Poor dietary choices high in processed foods, sugar, and artificial additives can feed harmful bacteria while depleting beneficial ones. Chronic stress, lack of sleep, and overuse of antibiotics can also disrupt the balance of our gut flora, leading to digestive issues and weakened immunity. In addition, environmental factors such as pollution and toxins can further compromise our gut health. By being mindful of these everyday disruptors and making conscious choices to support our gut microbiome, we can take proactive steps toward enhancing our overall health and well-being. Understanding the intricate connection between gut health, probiotics, and digestion is the first step toward cultivating a healthier lifestyle. By nourishing our gut with probiotic-rich foods, minimizing factors that disrupt our gut microbiome, and prioritizing a balanced diet, we can pave the way for optimal gut health and a happier, healthier life. Join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of gut health and empower yourself to thrive from the inside out. Incorporating various nutrient-rich foods into your diet is vital when promoting gut health. From probiotic-rich options to fiber-packed choices, these foods are crucial in nourishing your gut microbiome and supporting optimal digestion. Let's explore a range of healthy gut foods that can help you thrive from the inside out. Probiotic-rich foods are a cornerstone of gut health, as they introduce beneficial bacteria into your digestive system. Examples of probiotic-rich foods include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and tempeh. These fermented delights add a tangy kick to your meals and help maintain a healthy gut flora balance, supporting digestion and immune function. In addition to probiotics, fiber-rich foods are essential for promoting digestive wellness and overall gut health. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and fruits and vegetables such as berries, apples, broccoli, and spinach are excellent sources of dietary fiber. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting a diverse microbiome. Including fiber-rich foods supports regular bowel movements, reduces inflammation, and enhances nutrient absorption. Prebiotic foods are another valuable addition to your gut-nourishing repertoire. These foods contain indigestible fibers that fuel the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Examples of prebiotic foods include garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, asparagus, and chicory root. You can cultivate a flourishing gut environment that supports your overall well-being by embracing diverse, healthy gut foods, including probiotic-rich options, fiber-packed choices, and prebiotic delights. So, fill your plate with these gut-loving foods and nourish your body from the inside out for a happier, healthier you. Probiotics are often hailed as the superheroes of the gut, playing a vital role in maintaining digestive wellness and overall health. These beneficial bacteria contribute to a healthy gut microbiome, supporting digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Let's explore the fascinating world of probiotics and their impact on our well-being. Probiotics work magic by colonizing the gut and promoting a diverse and balanced microbiome. By introducing beneficial bacteria into the digestive system, probiotics help crowd out harmful pathogens and maintain a harmonious environment in the gut. This balance is essential for optimal digestion and supporting a robust immune system that can ward off infections and inflammation. While probiotics can be obtained from fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kombucha, probiotic supplements are another popular option for enhancing gut health. These supplements provide concentrated doses of beneficial bacteria, making maintaining a healthy gut flora balance more manageable. Probiotic supplements can benefit individuals with digestive issues, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, as they can help alleviate symptoms and improve gut function. Despite their many benefits, some common misconceptions surround probiotics and digestive health. One misconception is that all probiotic supplements are created equal. In reality, different strains of probiotics have varying effects on the gut microbiome. Choosing a probiotic supplement containing strains that support digestive health and overall well-being is essential. Another misconception is that probiotics are only beneficial for gut health. While probiotics are crucial in digestive wellness, their benefits extend beyond the gut. Probiotics may also support mental health, skin health, and immune function. So, embrace the wonders of probiotics and nurture your gut for optimal well-being. From lifestyle changes to dietary adjustments, nurturing your gut microbiome can lead to a happier, healthier you. Let's explore some key ways to support your gut health. Stress management and regular exercise benefit mental and physical well-being and play a significant role in gut health. Chronic stress can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues and inflammation. Incorporating stress-reducing practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help support a healthy gut. Additionally, regular physical activity has been shown to promote gut motility and diversity of gut bacteria, contributing to improved digestion and overall gut health. A balanced diet supporting a diversity of gut microbiota is crucial for maintaining optimal gut health. In your meals, focus on incorporating fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. These foods act as prebiotics, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and promoting a diverse microbiome. Including probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables can also help maintain a healthy gut flora balance. While these tips can provide a solid foundation for improving gut health, it's important to remember that individual needs may vary. Consulting healthcare professionals, such as registered dietitians or gastroenterologists, can offer personalized recommendations tailored to your gut health goals and concerns. These experts can help you navigate dietary changes, probiotic supplementation, and lifestyle modifications to optimize your gut health and overall well-being. You can take proactive steps towards maintaining a healthy gut by incorporating stress management techniques, regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in fiber and probiotics, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals. Nurture your gut microbiome, which will thank you for improved digestion, enhanced immunity, and a happier, healthier you. Now is the time to take action and make positive changes to support your gut health. Start by incorporating gut-friendly foods, such as probiotic-rich and fiber-packed choices, into your diet. Small changes can significantly improve your gut health and overall wellness. Remember, your gut is a powerhouse of health, and by nourishing it with the right foods, you can unlock a world of benefits. We encourage you to continue your exploration of gut health topics by subscribing to our channel or visiting our website for more in-depth information and resources. Dive deeper into the fascinating world of gut health, probiotics, and digestive wellness to empower yourself with knowledge and tools to support your gut health journey. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey towards a healthier gut and a happier you. Let's prioritize our gut health and thrive from the inside out. Stay tuned for more insightful content and tips to support your well-being.